Afternoon, everybody. Crazy, crazy day. Kids had a 2-hour delay this morning. Nothing wrong with that. We got on the road and the truck decided it didn't want to do what it was supposed to do, and it kind of broke down on us. So we gimped into the service where we get it work done for our vehicles. And luckily they'd finished our other pickup truck, so I just swapped out. Anyway, so it has us getting to site late. Obviously with the crazy week that we had, so I'll recap it for you. Monday you saw we were running around getting stuff done, and then on Tuesday we got the storm. Wednesday we were covered in ice and snow and couldn't get out to sites from the house, so we got to 2 but not all of them. Then we didn't have power at the house, and then on Thursday, so yesterday, we got power very late in the afternoon, which was good for us, but we also had more trees falling and things and power lines going down, and it was also impossible to get out from our area again. So today is the first day we're able to get back out, and I'm really excited to see all the lambs doing really well, the mamas doing really well. The panels provided the shelter like we thought they would. They protected them. So it's all really, really good news. I'm really excited about that. So the mamas are happy, and we're still lambing actively. We counted our lambs. We've got some really good ones out, new ones that hadn't seen since we were out here on Monday. So they lambed between obviously Monday and today. We actually have a mama up here that just dropped a lamb too. So I just thought I'll take you guys on a walk and kind of show you our lambs and our mamas and how everybody's doing. What we're probably going to do, since we just dropped lambs, like that mama just dropped lambs, is we're not going to move them. We're going to try to pull Monday, and what we'll do is bring the livestock trailer, and we'll drive what will willingly go, and we'll trailer the mamas that are a bit hesitant and the babies that are newer if that's the case. So we're going to try to catch that time gap. We're typically lambing. Now this one is a little bit out of our window, but typically we're lambing from about 8 to 10 in the morning, and then like 5 to 7. But the storm may have just thrown that off, so I'm not terribly worried about it. But they've got plenty of hay. We're putting out a Crystal X tub for them for right now, so they've had their mixed mineral and everything like that. So we're gonna put this Crystal X tub out. But yeah. So let's just take a walk and look at what we've got. They're all curious because they're like, what is that lady doing? We haven't seen her in a couple days. So let's go for a walk. I wanted to take a second and show one of the other things that we've started to do, which is go with the walkie-talkies through the fields too. So we always have reception, which is nice, but it'll allow us to kind of keep track when we're trying to, just kind of do multiple things. So right now, Marcus is on that side of the panels, and he's walking up that angle, and I'm walking up here so we can see more. And as the sheep move, they move towards him. He gets to see them. If they move towards me, I get to see them. But then this way, it helps with anything that's running away or anything like that. But with the walkies, it's been great because we've had this constant reception in areas where we don't usually get, sometimes you have issues with cell phones. So it's been really good for us. Quick, easy communication. Just one of the other things that we're trying out. You got all these lambs, and then you got mamas that looks like this still. And this.